As we all know, a global health pandemic is upon us.
Today, we have an esteemed speaker who comes from an absolutely ordinary background.
Singapore is a country with just about 5 decades of history.
Sir, as you are aware, the COVID-19 situation has caused a lot of challenges for migrant workers around the world.
The migrant workers are one group of people who have faced certain very serious challenges during this COVID time.
The aviation industry is slowly getting ready to start routes through specific corridors. This comes as good news to many who may be stranded far from their loved ones.
It is true that we have opened up. We have to tackle this challenge of pandemic, but also we have to manage the economies of our respective countries.
Many world leaders have shown their impeccable qualities to effectively deal with the situation and bring it under control.
I would say first and foremost should be that a leader's heart should beat for the people.
Many of my peers and fellow students have already done a lot to make a difference during these trying times.
Ordinary people who probably do not earn their daily bread without toiling for 10 hours a day. Even those people came forward to help those in need.
And how can we, as students, be a bridge between the two great cultures to make a big difference?
The Japanese have a very important trait. They learn from every challenge.
Can you elaborate on the opportunities that we can take advantage of for a new world order? Maybe our students can take some lessons from your advice on how best we can build a new world order.
Environmental issues will be central to new world order. Healthcare will be central to new world order. Technology is going to be central to new world order.
I am certain that everyone present here would have a lot to take away from this speech.